Hey everyone, Technomentary here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to charge your Apple Watch. If it's your very first time charging, you might not be familiar with it, but this is how you charge it. So it's very simple and easy to do. You're going to have a charger that's exactly like this. Usually it will come with USB-C or one of these basically that it will plug into a block, or if you have the newer ones, you can do it as well on those. And the way to charge it is you basically place into this magnetic plate. It's basically just attaches itself. As you see here, if I go close to it, it automatically attaches to it just like that. It will charge like that. Unlike an iPhone, you do not have to plug in an actual plug or anything. You just like lay it and it will stick onto it. And most Apple watches will charge just like that. And from there on, you'll get a charging notification and it will start charging for you. So that's how you charge an Apple Watch. I hope this quick video was helpful. If so, please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks, especially for your Apple Watch. We'll see you guys next time.